how to enable the hidden accessibility button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here, so click on accessibility. Now here, so click on advanced settings. So after click on advanced settings, click on accessibility button. So after click on accessibility button, so you will see, you will select navigation bar and clothing our other apps. So you will select from here and select navigation bar. So you will see. So after select navigation bar, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable the hidden accessibility button on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.